Me you do so. And me you deal with your contract about me and you not chat for 1 year true bully. A liar tell come in a bully none of my sister and my brother them. What go on a long time me not see you.
Why me there up there cool I go and tough you out and work some money. So you the fun.
You know say Angel carry home. One book list come give me. Master, me can't manage it. I would like you help me to buy some of them textbook here.
Ah, my sister boy over here rough still no me nah lie you God no over here rough there. I go and pay rent and one bag of bills but I mean niece, I mean, I want in class school without book and sit. So we send one hundred and
Oh, say that help me.
yeah man,
Oh,
we can send it for
Muda like you
100
help me for true, man. Muda like you help me. God no, thank you, man. So much money you say I go send come give me.
Me no 100% sure. Maybe 100 or 150. Maybe we'll see if we can send it to Western Union. When we
You
send
not
it,
fi,
we send you info.
Dwayne, you not fi kill up yourself and send me $150. Just send me $100 and me we try and find the rest. Me just want you help me buy some of my textbook them. Some wouldn't
Alright,
mind you help me.
no problem, man. But you're going good in school, though.
Yeah, man, she a go on good, you know, I just the textbook them me want. You know me no like most of the time them. A matter of fact, every year it happen. I me think of every school this happen to, you know. Then send one heap of textbook on the book list come give you and then make you buy one bag of book and sometimes pick them no use it at school. So I waste some money right now. Me could have use the money when you send it come give me and I bother buy all like textbook them, you know. Just wait until the teacher want one specific one and then me just go look for that one day and buy. What you think?
Me
Yeah.
understand, man. Me understand. But no, man, I can get the book them. I can get the book them. But me understand. This thing happen from me time and when they are at school, too, you know. So, me understand, man. I mean, no more go. But don't worry yourself. Never start out the money. And send it down here. But everything alright down there, though.
No, everything no alright, you know.
What happened down there?
You know, say Fran, I know with down here, you know, with me down here. You know, say Fran other day, me kind of feel sick and I want to go to doctor still, you know.
Alright, man, that we work out. But don't worry yourself. Me go send the money, and when me send it, we will send you a receipt. Alright?
Alright, thanks, my brother.
Alright, Mrs. You know, so me love you, though.
I saw you tell me all the while, but me kind of not believe.
Alright, believe, man, you can believe. Alright, later.
Alright then, thanks. Hurry up and send it. That me not like. How long me a call him and if you see call and not and sign up that me not like we doing, you know, star. Call you again. Phone all soon dead. Boy, me not tell no lie. Me go a doctor, you know. Me buy the book them, you know. The money we you send come give me use the buy book them and me go a doctor and me get a prescription. You hear me? You hear me? No, me know say a long distance. If you know we not hear what me I say, you know, or you hear me, I like you not hear me. Me I say the money we you send come give me go a Western Union go collect it. You hear me? And me did use it buy some of my textbook them for Angel. But me use the rest and go a doctor. Me must say me did tell you say me feel sick. But now me get a prescription. I would like if you fill it for me.
Yo, me not tell no lie, no, my sister. God, you have the conscience, you know. No true man, they are firm, no feel like to me I walk and pick up money. Me done sort out for that from book. For Angel already, and you see you got doctor out time money, and you really want me fully prescription, and the Jesus Christ, man. You no can't have little conscience, you know. Me not walk and pick up money over here, you know.
Wait there, bro. Do it. God. If you can't do it, you tell me say you can't do it. Why you go?
It's not a matter of me say me can't do it, you know. But me I say me just send you some money. Me just send you some money. What make no people yo, me no want to say like that, you know. What make no people what you do Jamaica? You just feel like say overpouring a bit of rose, eh? Eh? Never sell it still, you know. Never sell it, man. Never sell it. But why I don't know if you have conscience, man.
I style me, no. Me know say this, man. Everything good, man. You know what? One of them day, me go stop beg you know. Because you see, if me never come beg you, you would not style me so. And if me did have it, me wouldn't ask you for it. And because me don't have it, that's why me ask you for it. And if you feel say me a think say, foreign is a better rose, a lie I tell. And a matter of fact, you know much time. Me and you talk about certain things, my youth, and you not help me. And you have it can't help me, and you not help me. Adapt me and hey, yo, a chain of knowing this when me I go through out here, so you see some family. You see some family. Yo. Right here now, me not tell you no lie the way you see me on a serious note, me I tell you straight up. Stranger better to me than family right now. And they not deal with me so.
Never send the money to Western Union. Just check your phone in a because I'm on the road with them. Never just send you and send the money.
From me hear all you they talking now. From the way me hear you they talk, it sound like you're not gonna send it. You're not gonna send it, but guess what? Everything good. Everything good doing. Thank you for where you did send already. Everything good, man. Bless up yourself. No worries. Everything good. Anyway, my phone are dead. My battery are dead. Little more. Now call back your phone in a star. John no man, me now call back your phone. Me now call back your phone. You better me go up on the road go beg people. Me can't bother with them sitting. So you can give me $50 too. Alright, thanks. So you're
She give me, I should present.
oh, you make she give me?
Yeah.
Alright, thanks. So you're me?
Yeah, all right, darling.
Thank you, cause me no eat from morning, you know. Me no eat from morning, and every time me I walk and I beg people, them a go on like they can't give me
And I think that
$50.
sometimes in life, you don't have to look it, is the need.
I know you're from a long time. You can give me $50, please, cause me hungry and I want to buy one cocoa bread.
Sure.
Alright, thanks, here. Alright, thanks. Miss, good morning. You can give me $50, please, come in and eat from morning. I just
One go because time hard.
where did want to give me more money?
Hello.
Morning, you can give me $50, please.
No, sir, I'm not too hard no money, but
Please, may I beg you, just may I beg you $50.
we can get $100.
Oh, thanks, sir.
Yeah.
Dante, where are they?
Long time, you see, brother.
Why am I there, you know? Where they doing?
You know, sir, some of us are come from.
Then me I look for going, you know.
You know, sir, I want to show you something. You know, sir,
Mm-hmm.
we see your cousin herself. Candy. Well, a Candy she name.
Me have a cousin named Candy. You sure I feel my cousin Candy at all?
And which other cousin with that? Why would I just come up there and ask you that? I know must feel your cousin, brother.
Candy the one with enough here?
Yeah. Brother, me I walk and she stop and ask me for a little money. But not that or nothing, but the way how she look, brother. She look like she homeless or something, the way how she asked her. Just give her
Man.
$100.
Nah, man, you sure? Dante, me know say you're not blind or nothing, but that one is hard for your feather me right about now. You know, you sure I can do what you talk about? My Candy, cousin Candy, we have our thing, everything alright?
Yes, brother. Let me see her, I'm frightened. Me have to take 2 looks back and say, I LG cousin that. Because me know say, she, you know, look like she even realized me.
Instead of I try to figure out this thing alright, so you know what me I go do? I go cancel my run pan, go up on the road right now for go stuff, you know. You know what I go and go do? I straighten up and I go straight up on that I go find out really what go on in the morning. Cause this don't look right. This can't right.
What's up here?
Yo, respect you know, brother. Thanks for telling me and showing me a vibe. Listen me. We link.
That's how you do it.
What going on now, Candy?
Doing. If you say me and you are brother and sister, you make people have to tell me say you come. Me not beg you nothing. Me tired to beg you. Me tired of it. Doing make you stay so.
Candy, you see, these are some of the reasons why me not talk over 1 year now. You know? 'Cause you just go on like say you're a bully. Eh? You don't feel, me know say you probably feel like say me have money, you know. I work, me got find go work in the money now, but dash down and me walk and pick up money, you know. And not true, no found no Jamaica feel say when people they are find millions them a make, me have to work hard. In a sometime in a snow. And me have to pay heating bill, me have to pay rent, me have to pay insurance pan car, me have to pay when me trust car from bank. And now me come home come spend one little time at Jamaica. You should I'm glad to you see me.
Doing, hold on there. Hold on. You just a name them out so. You have to pay eating bill, you have to pay that the bill, that bill. Look here. Who send you to go pay eating bill? Heat there Jamaica for free. You never have to pay for it. You left and gone in a country where you feel cold and have to use heat and they make complaint to me. And you choose it, your choice. But when you're over there, you're going like say, when they go up on the plane, that's how you do. Throw a stone behind you. Like you don't remember nothing about me. You are the same mother but different father. You stay too bad. Imagine say you malice me. Eh? To me ask if you want money. And can you when give me one money one time? I don't know if a money you give me. Stop going like a billions. Me still grateful for it. I am grateful for it. Me not tell no lie, but you is a hypocrite because you can't pay me for what me do for you. You hear me I tell you? You see what me do for you? Me not think none of your rest of sister them would do it for you. Or your brother them. Me you do so. And me you deal with your contract about me and you not chat for 1 year 2 bully. A liar tell come in a bully none of my sister and my brother them. Me nah say me and none of uno never have nothing yet, but anything when me and have a uno kasi. You, the way you see you, everything good man. Me no come here yard for quarrel with you. Me hear say you come and nothing me come beg me just come to tell me mind what me did want to tell you for a long time, but everything good.
Yeah.
I will survive. Don't worry yourself.
Me nah.
Me will survive.
Me
don't
nah
worry.
say me dey friend and me not willing to send a little thing come here, you know. But you no can't expect say you no want live for me so Candy.
Me want live for you? Your mad already beg. You don't get the message already, say me they beg in a Savla mark it all about. So no come bother go on and go on can and go on like you're going with the step like yeah. True you there for you big up your chest for me.
Yeah, me yes, you don't me yes, you don't there beg.
Me they don't for you.
Me yes, you don't there beg for 2 years.
So
And that no mean say so what, you can't go look and work.
Let me tell you something. You want me to go look work. That means you want people to look down upon me like some idiot because you don't know already so me cannot read. How the hell me I go fill out form? How me I go do interview? What kind of question they go ask me? Me don't know. How me I go answer? Who you? Because uno bright and uno get all like subject and uno go to college. Me no go no school. Me have to walk and beg. So uno look down upon me as uno little sister. Hey, let me tell you something, Louie. Let me tell you something right here now. You better me go up on the bridge youth. Me not beg you nothing again. See, let me take all the picture of prescription and send it on you. And you see you style me? Before you talk to me about it and tell me, say, the little money we make you, I choose when they go on for me that time there. Even if you want to make up one layered story and tell me, you know you do malice me about everything good. All me have to tell you, is a hypocrite.
Alright, Candy. Alright. I saw things that, you know. Me not expect you to understand, you know.
Me don't want to understand you.
Me not expect you to understand.
I do not want to understand. You shouldn't come down with me, so. Me and you come from too far. And me and you from ever since from your little so. Me and you, the trad. When me granddad gone a man to go be up a flanker, who you did I stay with? Me. When you're hungry, who give you food? Me. No, you. Hey, look here. Don't hype on me. Because you see what goes around comes around and karma is a. Hey, listen, let me tell you something. Everything good here. Everything good. I just that me come to tell you. I just you could have fly out 99 times. Your blessings is not my blessings. My blessings are for me. My day will come. Everything good. Karma is a. Hey, gone out here, yeah. You hear me? I tell you. Because I don't want me to have nothing in here, so. A son of family stay when you're there foreign. You know, go on like a son to take people for idiot. And I beg you, no, I read a good on a serve. Go beg $50 and show you some office survive. Dirty boy.
Just about go so early. So that mean not true then.
A taxi me and wait when me go about my business. You wanna question me for every time. The whole of you where my family a question me.
Candy, what you mean by Candy left?
Serve!
Candy, me talking to, no Candy. What Candy, Jesus and peace.
What make you come here so?
But
You block me and the taxi
you don't normally go nowhere so early, Candy. Where you go?
Me a go a serve down a market. Me a go. Serve.
Christ. Candy, where you got market go do? Candy!
Taxi!
Candy, where you got market go do?
Me a go down there so.
For what? Hey, if they have that bus park are big, what kind of sitting that? Look where you, Jesus Christ. You never look like you all listen to me. I do your head. So Candy, where you look like you're mad so?
Where you see people them feet out for? I told them attack. Because uno we say uno are my family. Me can't ask uno for nothing. You are my cousin. And anytime me beg you nothing, you tell me say not have you all when you have it. Where you left me for do? Go thief. It better me walk and beg than me thief.
What Candy?
Which one of them? You rather me go thief and you hear somebody down a station
Me
and
no
you come
want,
tell me?
Candy, me no want you big man. But you know look good, Candy.
You know
It
what me
just
see a beg?
good.
They want to do thief. Then if me are two things. And me I go choose from the two of them. It's thief and beg. And I choose beg. And it look like uno as my family want me to go thief. So when you hear somebody down a station now, uno see one where they tell me say uno nah no money. Come pay how much money for me.
But you don't have brother and sister.
Brother. And brother, you can't talk about now. You ready for talk about for me, brother? Wherever have money and act like you know anon, the whole town are wicked.
Me, Candy. What me do
Yes.
you? But Candy, if me not have it, what me for give you? Want to your brother and your sister them?
I wish I remember that attack. Because I could never do it. Don't go there. Do it. Make sure say the next one them you talk about. Because if I do it, me and him not talk.
You don't do it, you do it.
No. He malice me.
For what?
God. You know say, me ask Dwayne for $100 when he did overseas. Me say he that must be out here now. Let me tell you something. He send me $100. That's a $15,000. You know say money go up and it come down. You know they on the same rate all the while.
Right.
But that time when he send it come give me get $15,000 me get. Jamaican me get. Right? Him send the US and me get the Jamaican. Little bit after that. Me go tell him say Angel that I niece you know.
That's how you hear that, right?
Yes, they're going to want different grade. So me go want money to help buy some textbook. He pause and then he say yes, he will send it come give me.
Jesus Christ. I
He
know.
send it. He couldn't buy all I book them, but me thank him for send it come give me. But me realize say he kind of when they draw away. Me feel sick now. Me no mean say me sick now, you know. Come no know you look for me so for me don't sick. As have me did I go. That time me they talk about one next time when me want beg him, I beg, cause this is not between me and my brother, you know, me and make you know now.
So.
Dirty Dwayne me attack. You don't know, so me tell Dwayne so me feel sick and me go want money and ask me, they ask me, I beg him.
Yeah.
Cause me no want go thief and, you know, put myself in no trouble.
Right.
You know, so he send the money come give me. And me go a doctor. And when me go a doctor, Dwayne go call me phone. Me not say nothing call me and my brother. He send money come give me for me go a doctor. Me appreciate it.
Right.
He want to know if me go a doctor cause me I say me and his sister so he want to know if me feel better
You
or
have
what
to check
doctor
up on you,
say.
which is
Yes.
good.
So me say yes, me go a doctor. To all in the talk to me is like he not believe me. So me now with me enough self, go say, me get the prescription from the doctor but me don't feel it yet. So me say, if you not believe me, because to what he said to me, it's like he a grown me like he not believe say me go a doctor and I can him
I
to
can
want
him for the money.
No, me not can him. Me go a doctor for true. So me screenshot the prescription. You hear what me say me do? Me screenshot
the prescription.
the prescription to want him believe me. Me no beg him no money yet, you know. But me ain't go beg him again. Me ain't do it yet. When me screenshot the prescription and send it go give Dwayne, me rotted. From me send that the picture there of the prescription go give Dwayne. Dwayne malice me. He block me.
Shit.
He block me on WhatsApp. Everything. All me they text Dwayne, me realize say the message they now go through. Me they call the message uncle they pan calling in and go pan ring. Me say, oh, I block me. Me and you are same ma, but different papa. So that means you're sure say me and your sister and brother. The father part I can jack it, but we are not same father. But mother and your malice me to me I beg your money. Eh? And look at me cuss man, right now me grieve because he thinks that me go beg him more money for true, you know. For help by the prescription, you know, but how me see him go on. Yeah, me say the man all block me and not chat to me. No, say not just listen first.
Man, hold on,
that's
man.
with the whole of in my family.
Hold
You not listen to me.
Hold on there, man. Hold on there. But at 1, 2, 3, or 4 times he send the money already, Kenny. So yeah,
He don't give me money 4 times. Top 10 lie.
Yes.
I want man when me used to chat to. Sitting there doing care. And the man tell me say, him and my brother talk good. And the man say me fi borrow $10,000 from Dwayne. And me say me no, you know, say me beg him more money already couple times, about 2 times. And he give me. And he look like in the kind of draw like he don't want me ask him for nothing. And he have it. So me no want ask him, you know. He say, no man candy. Ask your brother to lend me $10,000 and tell him say, when me get it back, I just fix my car. Me I go give him it back. You know, so me not tell no lie. Me and the man left.
Hurted.
But before me and him left, my brother did want back his money. The man gone back where he come from. My brother don't get the money, so you know so my brother have me up for that. $10,000. He have me up for the $10,000 when I get back. But guess what? I saved me a God and the man. The God, guess what me did do? Make the man call my brother and tell my brother say him really want the $10,000 for borrow for you. So my brother give me the $10,000 and me give the man.
Give to him.
Yes. But let me tell you something. You see that God the way you sit down up there, so? God. Remember one time my brother's son did sick, he had no good cause, he saying smoke and whatever mash up in brain. Remember say the same man where my brother give me the $10,000 for fixing car. Vehicle me borrow where you sit on up here so. I swear on the God's son. Borrow the man car. Me never borrow it because I did me man. And every time I go to Mandeville, a matter of fact, you see, the first time when I carry him go to the place where mad people there, I'm a nephew, you know, and he head no good. And me couldn't find a way. All me put the phone on the same thing and the woman they tell me, say, how much whatever from whatever. And when we go and we take another turn, we last. Me finally find the place and carry my brother go there. You can't pay me for that. Neither my brother can pay me for that. And you want to tell me, say, to me I beg beg you money, and my brother money, and my other family the money. You don't want to come malice me. Look here.
No, sir. Boy, it's a whole heap of situation unfold a while ago, you know. What you want? I understand what you do. I understand, but I don't like it.
You so don't understand then?
I understand, Candy. I understand, but I just don't like it. There's a difference. But here what me I say, differently. You have this thing here where I go around, you know, this trend, you know, this thing here right now where I go around, which it started out for kids only, you know. But where these people take it and do now, where it happen worldwide, is them use it as a platform to reach out to people out there which are more fortunate than you and me, or you in our situation, and them help you. I mean, I talk about this platform named TikTok. Candy, TikTok is very, very good. Trust me, if you go on it and sign up from your have a phone, you know, with net on it, you know, you just go and sign up and you just do what everybody I do. You know them look at something, you can go on it and be nice and be candy and be like tops and roses and lions and bears. Yes,
you
that's the same platform there.
You really understand me when me go through with my brother?
Man, I make enough money on it.
If you or my brother did for pay for vehicle, for rent, for go a Mandeville every time, you know how much money that there? I want a little money my brother give me and then come malice me. But me I beg him money.
Candy, I am saying to you.
The only money you give me, I fi buy me nephew food, fi pay for the place where I stay one time, and the money for buy gas. Me not take none of your money because your rest of pitney them did it. Every time you send money come, me left from Negril and go Lucy go pick them up, then come back and Negril and go Mandeville. You can't pay me.
Alright man, Candy man. Jesus and peace, you just have so much by your chest, so. Alright, Jesus Christ. But hear what me I say. Please, me I beg you. Just try out the TikTok thing. It can't work.
How are you shout out for me for?
I'm not shouting, baby girl.
I said me did I go and contact me and question me, you know.
Candy, just hear me say no man. Just try it out. If it don't work, alright. But just try it out, not because you can go on the platform and it will work.
Me can't read. Me not understand about it.
You don't have to do no reading, Candy. A simple thing, you sign up and it, me will even help you. You just get your profile in and then
you help me figure up on TikTok go big. And you will be and give me. And my dirty brother do we and have you and give me. So you soon go pretty on me gone on TikTok and beg
Candy,
people.
but you can become a professional in it. Other people are do it, you know.
Professional.
Dana do it.
Who?
Raja do it. Perry do it.
Don't call
the whole of them
no more.
Jesus Christ. But the whole of them are make money world dogs.
Me know Perry long time, me know my
rich.
friend.
But me just tell you, say the whole of them make money.
So what?
Interview. You know who come on big interview the other day? Rebel. And she says she's a professional.
And your grand call Rebel name to Rebel and my friend. Me follow Rebel on TikTok. On my friend phone. All when me not understand if you put it on my phone. And my friend them, don't call their name. Make them make all what they want. Make me not jealous over them. Leave me alone when me go stop go beg people.
But after when you done do that,
what?
just try it out now.
Alright then, you can do it for me. Later on, make me go pan and go try. But although me not understand.
We will fix it. But
Alright.
as me say, you just need to just get the frame of mind for just put in the work and you will get you. Cool? Don't tell me son don't do it, you know. Make sure you do it, man. Me I go down here, son. Later. Candy, you done? You ready?
I talk to somebody from my
You ready?
Yeah, friend, my phone. Ready for going.
If we go now, Candy, if we do this something.
Wow.
You know, say you want me to show you how to earn this something.
Oh, the TikTok something?
Yes, it's here, man. You ready?
Show me now.
Sure. Sit here with you. Well, you have email?
Show me in pan for your phone, because I don't want to go and trick me and put no foolishness on my phone.
I do that, Candy, man. I want to. So me have it on my phone set up already, you see me? So me automatically just can jump in and run right in it. So basically, these are the face of TikTok. You see me? And then I can go to my profile. This is my profile. You have to have at least 1,000 followers for you can start go live. But you have to post content for people see you and recognize it. Can the people you're famous, you know? You are really one voice, you know. People will listen to you, you know, can they? You're going like I said today, you're banned. Can you just cool, man? So when time you go on this platform, you're gonna have a whole heap of people who want to see your back. Watch you know, man. So I go first take one pretty picture of you.
I tell you that I say me ugly.
Then we fix that. Then we're going to put one profile picture here right here, so. Good? And then we're going to start set up your profile. Because you don't know you have to make the things them nice. So tell them why you're there on the TikTok. So you just tell them, say, oh, you're just a nice person and you want to get to know people. And you know, if they want to give you nothing, you know, just feel free to make their hand be free. You know, that sort of settings there. And then you just post about couple photo in it. You just put in couple photo like me, yeah? See? I just put in 2 couple photo in it. And then now when I put in a couple photos, people start now draw onto your page, Candy. And then a quick.
Wait there, Mark. Let me ask you one question. A TikTok you said this name.
Mhm.
And you say me not go down and mark it again go beg.
What is your point, Candy?
So, where I send me to go do pan this, no beg. I see where I spell. Why different? Me not go pan there.
But Candy, it is not let me how me for frame this now. Candy, it is not so much begging, you know.
Oh.
It is more of you asking people to contribute
Oh.
a favorable token because it's not money. You're begging them, you know. You're
Oh.
asking them to give you taps and roses and lions and roses and all these things. I think universe and them something they ask for and the money.
Me not tell you no lie, you know. You see, every time I go on the road and go beg people, some of them don't give me nothing. But you know what somebody give me $50 for the day? I be $50 then give me. So what you said to me now, it makes sense like more benefit off of TikTok.
You have more benefit off of TikTok where you don't have to go out there in the streets and leave yourself vulnerable for people be
Because you have
disrespectful.
good people on this?
You have people that will look up and respect you
Oh,
and
God.
willing to want to help. You have people and you want
You
to
see,
help
when me
people.
tell you, say, you know, say, me not so like you, a long time, you must see I get money off of this, and me and your cousin, and you know, tell me, he's a wicked cousin. Mark, what make you so wicked? And you're selfish, although, anyway, me kind of glad say you tell me, say, if you go up on TikTok still, so thanks, yeah?
Yeah, man. So we can do that, and if you
But
want me show you a
when
couple
I
of them
do it, you have to
page.
go sign up if you
Yeah, right, yes, man. So,
Remember
alright,
say-
so we're going there, so.
No, you're going on my picture them and I look point where you know face. You idiot boy.
So-
No,
so
me will make you
what
go
kind of
in
picture
there
you
with
have?
time.
What kind of-
No, do you see that phone here? I'm a private thing this
And
year.
if I tell you
So
something,
man,
you know,
when me beg and then give me $50, then me have to go check them and sit. I don't want you to see them picture, no.
my cousin, I'm gonna tell you something, you know, and I don't want you think say me. I think say is a you fi be a seller or is a prostitute is not what I'm saying, you know. But listen me out, please. You see the people them favorable or the man them favorable when time you be more receptive of the gifts. Like, you know, you show them so you appreciate it more. Like, you know, you want look a gesture, shake your chest, or you just you know want look a tight sitting so. Them something that them like, them something that from the females. So if you do that, you lead man. I want to you. You can't lose me. I think I say win-win.
I don't know nothing bad me have to go do for you.
No.
help people. Yeah, man. Happy holiday. See who can bless me on the live today. I could them bless me last week. But I don't know how to do it out to me, you know. Welcome, welcome everyone, welcome. Welcome guys, thank you for joining. Double tap on the screen and share the live. Share the live guys. Tap up the screen, tap up the screen. Alright, bless up yourself my gifters. Bless up yourself, yeah man. Alright, cool. Thank you for the gift. Thank you. Wow, 2 lion. Who send me that? Wait there. 1 more lion. Bless up yourself. Okay, let me see how now. Alright, cool now. Alright, thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you for tapping up. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for the gift. Yeah man, bless up on yourself. I'm not telling lie now. This is to all my gifters on TikTok. You see what me used to go through? Uno make me stop go through it. So me thank Uno, me appreciate everything you do for me. Because I not tell no lie. Upon the road me did there beg. And all because of Uno. Me stop go on the street, go beg people. So me appreciate and thank you so much. You're saying hi? Say hi. No, and my baby man. You don't know Richard, Richard baby. Yeah man, bless up yourself. Yeah man, she cute. Yeah man, thanks. She say you're cute. Say thank you. Good girl. Alright.
Ah, top. Sunday.
Oi, what going?
Why? Cause
What
Jano star. Jano, cause what go on?
Me there, you know. I give
Cheese
God
and
thanks.
peace, boy. You just look different and nice and refreshing, man.
Then I must, so why not?
Cheese and
After
peace.
you tell me about that social media thing there. Hey, Master, me have to give God thanks for what you do for me.
Oh my goodness.
Because the way out, me go on that the social media platform there and me get so much blessing from the people them out there. Me have to thank God and
Yeah,
thank
man.
social media. Yes. Me I tell us that the social media them out there
Yeah.
are going with things.
It's a good look.
And I lie me they tell.
Candy, me like it for you, man. Oh goodness, man. I say me there home, Candy. And I stroll through. And I see you up on the blouse and skirt phone. I go
Yeah.
on and a whole heap of people I come over and I show love and I show
Hello.
respect. Yo, I'm proud of you, see, man.
Me remember where me they come from. Me used
Yeah.
to beg down in the market, all about on the road, be $50. People give me still, you know, some say they don't have it, but what me can do? One morning, me not even beard.
Oh,
and I want a
goodness.
woman, me still be the install and everything, and sell her, me have to beg him one rag and $50, and she give me. She give me more, see what? $150.
I say I love it for you, man. I say, yo, all of the haters, them, remember me tell you, man. Them go come right back at your foot, right back at your feet. So just go and do what you do, because you do great things. You can reach far, man. I see you in the top rankings, you know, Candy.
God no.
I see you up there, man. Yeah, man, no doubt, man. I see you up there, man. Don't stop, my friend.
Social media bless me, and me know it bless enough more people.
It will forever bless people.
Yeah, man, and me give God thanks for that. That is a good thing social media doing.
Clean heart,
Me
strong mind.
appreciate them and me love what you do for me. And right now, anybody who want know about the social media thing, me can tell them about it too. Make them go get the live blessing. So thank you here, cause
man.
God know.
Prophesy,
You rate what you do for me, man.
What's cool, I'm a
You
cousin.
see that dirty boy there?
Oh.
And my brother, me dey chat for your cousin too.
Yeah.
You saying deal with me? But me forgive him enough, Father God, because right now I'm not hungry again. Yeah?
You know, so that same, don't think it not strange, you know. Think it not strange. But you see that same man, I bet you say him come right back at your foot. It a go make full circle, you know. And him a go come right back at your foot and probably all of him same one ask you for favor. Look, me mark my words, me tell you, yes, sir.
Me no have no dirty mind and me no corruption mind still, you know. But maybe me help him and maybe me no help him because you see how he treat me. If I never you, right now, mother still a big pan road. Him there foreign and he not even afford for me. You know what I do? Malice me instead. You know what I mean? Like me and him in a beef. Now talk to me known child.
Hear that
Because what?
man.
He said me they beg him. So he malice me. Everything good still well.
Positive
Bless up yourself
energy.
here, because you see next time when time I pull down piece of money again, I make sure I put down something.
Jano Star. Appreciate that, you see me? Let's continue to do what you do. You what? I run up on the road, I got to deal with some things, but go and live it up, you see me?
Alright.
We link.
Yeah,
Alright,
man,
my
thank
sister.
you very much. Yeah.
Bless up yourself, Candy.
Alright, me I come go in the pot the on fire.
Ah, Tio.
Yes, we're here again. A wonderful, massive evening, to everybody who's checking in. Hey, my name is Kemar Williams and we're here live, on Richard Brown Films. And guess what? We want to just, showcase another wonderful face that you are acquainted with. I want to talk about acquainted with, I'm talking about the one and only, you tell me her name. What is her name? Yes, we're talking about Candy. Yes, you've seen her before on the streets. But guess what? She's now big on TikTok. I want you to know her story. You know what I mean? But am I there before we even get to that? TikTok, sensation. How you feel about the holidays? What's your view on it? Do you believe in the spirit of the holidays?
Pagan thing,
It's pagan.
Yeah.
Oh, it's pagan. Huh?
Yeah, man.
So basically, you are not having any festive, elements in your house.
Listen to me now.
eating
My
cake.
holiday is.
No, I have to give you the microphone to talk. All right.
Yeah,
So give me a second. Yes. So you don't believe in this festive thing of putting cake and all these things in your house?
No.
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 Why? Why is that, ma'am?
I don't celebrate pagan holidays.
You say pagan, but do you?
I don't celebrate Christmas. That is it.
But you see, as I said before, a lot of people don't really celebrate this thing, but that's just here or there for her at this point.
Who want to celebrate it, celebrate it.
Tell us a little bit about how you got so famous and what they drive your interest and all these things.
Well, I was a beggar on the street, and this begging thing wasn't working out for me, but I still do it because there's nothing else for me to do at that time. It's like when I was begging on the street, I think, that is my thought though, I think that I don't have another option, but I have a cousin who talked to me about it one day and said there is a lot of things going on TikTok. It's not a begging thing. People give you things from them heart. If people come on TikTok and you're live and see you, they love you. Some like you, some love you, some hate you. Some don't want you upon there because them jealous of the gift that other people who have the heart to give it to you. Them
Not cutting it, but are you saying that TikTok is not begging? It's
No. Listen to me now. You don't have to go on TikTok and beg. You can do it, but you don't have to. Because people just come over to your life once they like what you're doing, or them like you personally different way, whatever way them like you or love you, them do it from them heart. They just give it to you like it's like God send them there to bless you with something. So I appreciate TikTok. TikTok do a lot for me.
So tell me something now. It's just like a pipe and water. So if you see a pipe there, you have to turn on the pipe to get water.
Yes.
So basically, you're saying that you have to get them to give you stuff like how you because it's basically begging. I don't understand why you don't understand that's begging. Because if you go there, it's not like people just gonna give you like that. You have to do stuff for them to want to give to you. So this begging thing is similar to what they would say as gifting, like taps and roses, right?
You can just shut up a little bit and let me explain myself again to you, sir. Sir, you don't have to go on TikTok and beg. TikTok thing is not a begging thing. I was an official beggar on the street. And because of TikTok, I stopped beg. I am an independent person now. Permanent independent person. Because of TikTok, I have everything that I want. The only thing I don't have is a proper house at this moment. But don't watch that house. If you ever
Yes,
see...
because I can see that you're still living at this residence. It's because
Yes.
you're trying to save up to buy a bigger house or what?
Listen. Just listen me. You see this house?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't bother underestimate this house, If you see all that TikTok give to me in this house, you wouldn't believe it. But I'm telling you, best believe, this house, I will give it to one of my family that is in a lower position than me. Because I'm planning to build a mansion And I already almost have the money all because of TikTok. TikTok
So
is a
TikTok save your
blessed,
life.
yes, TikTok is a blessed thing. And I would encourage you, because you look like you're hungry, so you can go on TikTok,
All
sign
right,
up.
my name is Kemar Williams, and this is a reporter for Richard Brown Films. You heard it from a horse's mouth. She's basically telling you that TikTok is very, it's a place that can help you. You know what I mean? So if you're begging, you can receive gifts. As she says, it's not begging, it's receiving. So you heard it from the famous
Sir, why you
Candy.
never let me finish talk?
All right, listen to me. You see,
Listen to me now.
I don't want you to
You
start.
can encourage other people to go on TikTok to make them live a better life, because TikTok blessed me.
So you're telling me
So-
that I'm hungry, but you can't do that, all right? Yeah, man, my name is Kemar Williams, reporting for Richard Brown Films, and you heard it from the horse's mouth herself, all right? Yeah, boss, you put that piece, the last piece. Well, I want to about hungry because she's disrespectful, Make sure,
What go on with my sister Candy?
I wish breeze blow you, yes, sir.
Come on, man. I want to give you a little reason.
Now you're looking at me house.
So me come for apologize for what it go on between me and you. Yeah, man, me sorry for how me did behave. So me know some wrong did for malice that you ask me for your money and thing. Me say me know it's foreign hard, but me didn't know I'm better position than you, and me shouldn't tell you no still. You see me? So me come for apologize for how me behave. You don't have nothing to say?
I will tell us if you come up. Hey, Jesus, God. Father God, me know come and pray about it. Yes, the Bible reveal everything you speak out of your mouth. It are revealed today. Your word will never lie. Dwayne, you really malice me for hear and had and come and apologize to me. Anyway, if you never know, only true me not tell you face to face or on phone. Me forgive you a long time. But me have to tell you the truth, say you're full of corruption and you're a hypocrite. But yeah, my brother, so me love you seeing you as my brother, but me I keep a distance from you.
Alright, yeah man. Me glad
Me forgive you.
Me glad to see you forgive me and we can dip on one good page and go back to how things was before. So differently. Say me did I watch on social media and me see one youth there over one youth named Kemar Williams did that interview you on Richard Brown Films.
So
And-
about that.
Yeah, me never honestly me never know say I see you famous on social media. Me never know, honestly to God. Me and brother and sister, me never know say I see you famous.
The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want. He maketh me candy. Lord, have mercy upon me. Hey! God. Me go lie in green pastures, you see it? What you say, Dwayne? You see me? They get interview from somebody named Kemar Williams. What that have to do with it? You and him related?
No, me just feel
So
good.
at that make you come on me yard?
No, me come to apologize. That's my number one reason. But me see that too, so me just come to congratulate you and say, boy, I'm proud of you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for your congratulations, yeah.
Yeah, me proud of you because at least somebody in my family famous and thing. And me never, honestly to God, me never have no say TikTok money I make on TikTok. Me never know.
Yes. Money will make on TikTok if your heart clean and you're not corrupt against the people them. But some people, when they see people have gift people, that means the people them are bless them, then catch bad mind and not stop talk about the people them.
Alright, so differently
You
still.
leave the people them alone, man.
Differently still. When I think I really want to ask you still if you could show me how it work.
Oh, I never see a fire without smoke. So that's why you come on me yard. For me show you how to go up on TikTok and make money because you see say me famous. Eh? Well, let me tell you something. Me not only famous. I am highly favored and blessed by the hands of the Almighty. Every gift as we can give me and other people on TikTok, I true God bless them and their heart cleaner than few.
So hold on,
Me
sister.
nah show you. You have to go make somebody else show you. Me nah show you. God forgive me, but me nah show him. Father God forgive me, but me nah show him.
You see,
You
you see,
wicked.
you see you're corrupt, bro.
No, you corrupt, cause if you never see me famous, you wouldn't come on me yard.
You're
You're
corrupt,
too
man.
jealous.
You're going like
One to the
TikTok
mon-
belong to you.
Here we are.
You're too corrupt, man.
TikTok are for everybody but one to the money them when you make a foreign. What you do with them?
Say, well, you know, expect me come back here, me have to live and me have to eat and survive.
Okay.
So me
Listen,
want
no
to sit there so I
go.
can make some money. So
Go
why
on
if you
back
show
a
me
foreign.
TikTok? Why if you show me your TikTok work?
No, go on back a foreign. And the money them when you have put on underneath your bed and a mattress, go and go take out here and leave TikTok. Make TikTok people them come bless who
Alright,
deserve
sis. Alright,
to get
sis.
whatever
Everything
TikTok
good.
send them.
Alright, sis.
You're
Alright.
too bad mind.
Alright, everything
Leave
good.
people on TikTok alone. And you're too red and too corrupt. If I ever know say that you come to me about doing, me continue sweep out my house and slam me door and go in and run you out of my yard. I'm out of come Rex. Rex, come. Stick him. Me no want you in my yard. Come. I ramp in here, look. Run him out. You know what? I go and stop feed you. You name too much and you don't have no use. You Rex.
You see the shirt already, right? Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. So, as we always say, if there are persons out there that want to improve them sexual experience, link up Dr. Jack. So the number up on his shirt. You know me I say he has some male enhancement pills. At the end of the day, people might feel afraid and say, oh, me no need that, me no need that. It's not no Viagra. You know me I say it's not a Viagra. It's a healthy product in terms of natural herbs and bushes them him use say make the capsule them and they are for enhancement. You don't know, you can't expect say if you're 50 or 60 or 40 you're gonna be the same as a 19-year-old and 20-year-old. You know what I say? So it just help to boost your sexual drive. And not only that, on a day-to-day basis, if you're a man who work hard, you know say you're gonna need something for just give that extra strength because you work hard. You know what I mean? I'm not talking about sex, I'm talking about from a healthy perspective, you want something to make you feel healthy and strong. So the pill also helps to boost that. And it also has a bottle for the ladies that we need to get them body detox. If you can't get pregnant,
that can also help you. So link him up. Same Instagram handle there. So you can check him out on Instagram. It's Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. Check him out on Instagram, and there is his telephone number. Link him up, and yeah, can make some arrangement how you get him product. All right.
All right, so LG, pay attention. Right now. All right, so welcome. It's a brand new year. I want to say thank you to everybody that stick around with us throughout the entire year of 2023. As I go?
Yeah, 2024 now.
So it's 2024 now. So
Yes,
I
sir.
want to say, yo, we're glad for no say, yo, on stick around with us and continuously I look out for when we post the video them. We want to share the content them up and we want to ensure say, yo, the thing I reach to the fullest potential. It's a brand new year and we have some brand new goals that we want to meet. You know what I say? And this year, we are ensure so we are trying to see if we can post more than one movies per week. That is one of the initiative that we are launched. Yeah, man, more than one movie per week we are trying to post this week. Not only that, but we wanted last year to actually do something for the big screen. But you know, we look at trial and error and we try. We realize that there are certain things that we need to put in place while we want to get it to the big screen. So this year, 2024, we're gonna ensure say that is one of our main objective to do things so we can cross other platforms, so we can generate more revenue, if we can do more things. Because the thing is, you know, without money, we can't do nothing. And that is the reality of things. Even though we try to go around that, but money is part of the reason why we can't get to do certain things. Also, we are ensuring so we incorporate some new faces in the 2024, especially females. 'Cause we have only male faces, me and me, LG, Javi, Public, and Alton even doing it there. We have kind of four male faces and now and then Vassal come in too. So we have a lot of males that we can use, but females is always a must for for change up the face them and for add some more. So this 2024, that is one of the main things. So if there are females out there who want to be a part of the thing, you know, link with and make you know, say you want to be a part of the thing and you want to see the thing grow. So please, if you already contribute financially to what we are doing, keep on do so. And if you already share the video up, keep on do so. Whatever you do towards helping the thing to grow, continue to do that because we are at we are at we are at 170, I think 177,000 subs. So we're almost at 180. And the next aim is to reach that 200 mark. And we can't do that by ourselves. We have to do that with funeral help. You know what I say? So that's a small portion of the team. You know what I say? Everybody there. So big up on yourself. And if you know show some support to anyone of the team yet, make sure someone do so. Because Candy still have in channel she plan to rise it up back this year. Candy Empress Candy. What's that go? Candy Empress and LG channel. What's your channel?
LYL production, yeah man.
LYL production. So to make sure say subscribe to LG channel and public report as always. Make sure someone subscribe to the channel and
Make sure. I want to see y'all subscribe.
yeah
I
and
think I'm a tone of my voice, you know what I mean? No, I'm from England.
yeah and Layla have film channel too, Layla Brown videos. So make sure someone subscribe to Fair channel.
Layla Brown. You mean Layla Brown?
Layla Brown on the videos. That's
Layla Brown.
Just Layla Brown. So to make sure someone subscribe to Fair channel. She have 493 subscribers. So we want to push her up to 1,000 mark. And also, we just create a channel for Javi too. So we're gonna look out for that new channel there. Soon in another new month, we're gonna look out for it. So we're gonna continue to show support while we continue to grow and we continue to go and put out the work and make you happy. Alright?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So nobody has nothing to say?
Always, man.
Mm-hmm.
We want to thank y'all for the support, as Mr. Richard Brown said before. Richie, we want to tell you thanks for create this platform for everybody. Yes.
True.
You understand, man? So big up yourself. There's a lot of people where, they understand, say, it's rough to keep a unit like this together. You know what I mean? And we respect you and give thanks for, your effort You know what I mean? We are your family basically, as you can see, because you're there on 24/7.
No,
You know what I mean?
around.
724?
No, you there on, only there on we 24.
Exactly. Well, anyway, you want to say it, sir. Can you be a bad from there?
Hey,
But bless myself, Mr. Brown. Thank you. And you know what I mean? As we say, we're there. I put in some work. 2024. Just look out for more epic content. You know what I mean? LG over there, so film thing forward soon. Candy Empress. You know what I mean? Javi. Big up on yourself. You know what I mean? And as well, Paradise Nation. Because it's still a part of the family. So bless upon yourself. And this is my few words. Pray for we. You know what I mean? Pray we up.
Yeah,
and make
man.
sure say the covering you know upon the family. Under one umbrella, Richard Brown Films, Public Report.
LYL Production,
NYL
Candy
Production.
Empress,
You know what's
Empress
happening
Candy,
again, right?
Layla Brown.
Layla Brown. All right, Layla. High five. Oh. All right, so bless upon yourself.
New Year, one more time.